Here we're replacing wooden tie track panels with plastic tie track panels on the Woodpecker Siding. Here Dale Furseth is leveling track and tamping the ballast in to make the track more secure. He has to do this for the entire length of the siding, so it's you're only seeing just a little bit of it. This is the second day of doing this kind of thing, and now we'll show you a little bit of sweeping the ballast by hand. We have a power broom, but chose not to use it at this particular location. It was easier to do it by hand.
Okay, live.
Now here Dale has a technique of skidding the track panels down the track to get it near the flat car for loading. This is an old wooden tie track panel, so it's about to fall apart, but the plastic panels slide quite easily and actually are much easier to load because they're not falling apart. Oop, hit a little snag there, but we get it over the snag. But this technique allows one person to move a track panel and load it up, and it's very necessary with a plastic one. The wooden ones are fairly light in comparison to the plastic tie track panels. I believe the plastic tie track panels weigh in the neighborhood of 140 pounds. Here Dale's picking up the old underlayment that came up when now he's using a mirror to see how flat the track is, and if you look down there you can see some places. Now it's smoother because he's adjusted them. Now we take the first run through on the Woodpecker Siding to see how we did. As we go by the maintenance away cars here, you see all the tools needed to do this kind of work all in the pile there. We're going slow here because it's the first run through, but the track is right now very smooth. We'll see how it lasts over time. The weather at Train Mountain is very hard on the track with the freeze thaws that go on in the wintertime. Now all we have to do is get all this stuff back to the track shop.